Principle of superposition. Now we are going to discuss what is principle of superposition. For this is the XY coordinate system, origin O, let charge Q naught is present at a position R naught and charge Q1 is placed at a position vector R1. Now the force experienced by Q naught due to Q1 is given as force experienced by charge Q naught due to Q1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q naught divided by square of distance and direction of this force is this one, this is the force, and for this direction unit vector is r cap 1 node, that is this is the position vector, unit vector. Take now I have placed now third charge Q2 at position vector R2. Now what will be the effect on this force ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस चार्ज? क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा इस पर? अब Q2 के आने से Q1 में कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ, Q0 में भी चेंज नहीं हुआ, ये डिस्टेंस में भी कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ. इट मीन्स डैट Q2 के आने से इस फोर्स पर कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. मीन्स द फोर्स बिटवीन टू चार्जेज इज नॉट इंटरफेयर्ड बाय द प्रेजेंस ऑफ थर्ड चार्ज. ये सारे चार्ज मेरे स्टैटिक हैं, सारे चार्ज मेरे फिक्स हैं. ठीक. तो बट दिस Q2 विल अप्लाई फोर्स ऑन Q0. ये जो है तो फोर्स ऑन चार्ज Q0 ड्यू टू चार्ज Q2 इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q2 Q0 divided by square of distance, and this is the direction of the force, and this is the force F0 2, and the unit vector in this direction is r cap 2 naught. तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. आई हैव गॉट दिस वन. ठीक है. नाउ आई हैव प्लेस्ड थर्ड चार्ज Q3 here, and its R3 is the position. Now what will be the effect on these two forces due to presence of charge Q3? अब Q3 के आने से इन दोनों के बीच में के फोर्स पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये आया तो ना ये चेंज हुआ, ना ये चेंज हुआ, ना डिस्टेंस चेंज हुआ. इन दोनों के फोर्स के पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? कोई भी नहीं, बिकॉज ड्यू टू दिस Q3 देयर इज नो चेंज इन Q2 and there is no change in Q0. But this Q3 will apply force on Q naught. तो force on charge Q naught due to charge Q3 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q naught divided by square of distance, and this force will act in this direction, and this is vector F3, and unit vector in this direction is what? R cap 30. ठीक है, ये सीधी स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी, ये बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइन हो गई. Now, if I have n charges, then the force on charge Q naught due to nth charge is how much? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught Qn Q naught divided by square of distance. And now what we are observing again, that the force between two charges is not affected by the presence of third charges, but the total force on the charge Q naught will be the vector sum of all the forces, that is total force on the charge Q naught will be vector sum of all the forces. ठीक है. Now substituting the value, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, I have taken the common, Q1 Q naught R square plus Q2 Q naught plus Q3 Q naught plus dash 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 plus Qn Q0 ठीक. Now what is statement of superposition principle? Total force on any charge due to number of other charges at rest is the vector sum of all the forces on that charge due to other charges taken at one time, and the force due to individual charges, इन दोनों के बीच का जो फोर्स है, are unaffected by the presence of or absence of other charges. ठीक है, थैंक यू.